Doing this one thing increased my sales 29%. And I'm going to show you in today's video what exactly I did. Simple and easy, and it's going to be customizable to you. I went in and pulled an eBay listing report. If you have never done this, I highly, highly, highly recommend it. There is so much information in it, information that is catered to exactly what you sell, exactly what you're doing. I will link the video up here. I'll give you a quick overview. It is a spreadsheet that you can pull in. It has a ton of information, but it looks at all of your categories and compares you to the top rated sellers in your categories and the the top 5% lowest sellers in your categories, and compares you and says, hey, it looks at photos, it looks at promoted listings, all the different things that you can be doing at YouTube. It compares you to what the top sellers in your specific categories are doing. So there's not one blanket that says, hey, everyone needs to have 12 photos. It'll compare and say, hey, you sell postcards. Most top sellers have 4 photos. You have 3. Maybe you should work on adding 1 more. This is what the top sellers are doing. So I pulled this report and I really looked in depth into it. And one of the things that it told me to do was to increase my promoted listings on jeans to 5%. The reason that is saying this is not, hey, we're eBay, we want to make more money. And I mean, I'm sure there's some of that, right? They do want to make more money, but it is comparing me to, hey, all of the other jean sellers, people that are selling exactly what you're doing, your competition, everyone else is selling, has it promoted at least 5%. Your competition is winning because they're doing this one thing. So I thought, hey, I'm going to go ahead and give it a try. I normally promote everything at 2%. I will link a video up here on promoted listings and how to figure out what percent is right for you, how to look at the numbers and the data to really figure that out. But eBay was recommending this and I said, hey, I'm going to try it. So I promoted all of my jeans from 2% to 5% for the month, and I'm going to show you how I know that it actually worked. You're going to go into eBay. So like I said, I promoted it for a month. I wanted to check it out and say, hey, does this actually work? I did it for a month. So if you come up here, you're in My Seller Hub, you have an eBay store, you're in My Seller Hub, you go to performance, and then you go to sales. I did it for a very specific month. I pulled the report sometime in July and was like, hey, what's going on here? They actually sent me an email. Actually, they did. They sent me an email. I clicked on it, downloaded it. Sorry, Siri. Downloaded it. They made it very simple and easy and said, hey, these are the things that you should work on. So I pulled the report, looked at it, and that was on the 6th. I ran it for a month. So we're looking at this month. I did a customizable. If you did it for like January to February or whatever, they have filters that you can do. You can scroll down, you can see my sales during the summer, not anything overly fantastic, but there's reasons for that, not the point of this video. But if you scroll down, it goes by your category. So I can say, hey, it didn't increase my sales altogether, right? My sales are still down for the month. And if eBay stopped there, I'd say, hey, it didn't work. But I can scroll all the way down and come here and look at all my different categories. And look, jeans, it goes by the percentage of sales. And keep in mind, we're talking like July into August. So this is not peak jean season, which is another great time to try it because I know it's not because the market is picking up. If my jeans increase September, October, I know some of that's just the seasonality of jeans. Sorry, my watch keeps going off. I have it on the wrong wrist. So I know it's not just the seasonality of jeans because it was during the summer. I know this increase, this 29% increase is from doing this 5% promoted listings. Yes, am I losing 3% of it? Maybe, but I'm gaining at a higher percent than I am losing. And it is now so this goes in the order of your sales, what percentage comes from jeans, what percentage comes from pants. So jeans was my top seller category in July, which if you sell women's clothing, shoes, and purses, you know that is not typical. Jeans are seasonality, right? No one's wearing jeans in July. Most people are not wearing jeans in July. If you like this video, YouTube also thinks you'd like this video. I will link a playlist down here of how to make money reselling. And then if you want to go ahead and hit that subscribe and the bell to learn how to make money reselling.